Hey, nature lovers, ever feel like escaping the city without actually leaving it? Well, Toronto's got you covered. Today I'm taking you on a whistle-stop tour of the 5 biggest parks in the city. Trust me, you won't believe just how wild Toronto can get. First up, Rouge National Urban Park. This place is a beast. Literally the largest urban park in North America, stretching across Toronto, Markham, Pickering, and Uxbridge. Trails, marshlands, rivers, even working farms. It's a full-on nature escape, right at the city's edge. If you're lucky, you might spot deer or even a red fox darting through the trees. Next we've got High Park, and wow, is it ever a West End gem. Whether you're chasing cherry blossoms in spring or snapping turtles in summer, this 400-acre park is always buzzing with life. There's even a little zoo. It's the perfect spot for a Sunday picnic or a lazy stroll under giant oaks. Swinging over to Etobicoke, Centennial Park is all about variety. We're talking sports fields, a conservatory, and a massive pond. Oh, and in winter, you can go tobogganing or even hit the ski hill. It's like a Four Seasons playground right in the city. Now, if you crave something wilder, Tommy Thompson Park, aka the Leslie Street Spit, is your spot. This place feels untouched. You walk out into Lake Ontario, surrounded by birds, wildflowers, and sweeping skyline views. Bring your binoculars. Over 300 bird species have been spotted here. Last but not least, Downsview Park in North York. Here you can bike, hike, or chill by the pond. Concerts, community gardens, and grasslands. It's a blend of urban energy and natural calm. So, if you want to recharge in nature without leaving Toronto, these 5 parks are your go-to retreats. Pack your backpack, grab your camera, and let's get exploring.